All right, so everybody's talking about AWS Cloud Quest. This is a recently released gaming or gamified way of learning AWS Cloud Practitioner. That is intriguing. So I came onto the site and it's pretty straightforward. It's explore.skillbuilder.aws. It takes you right into your AWS account, and all you do is click on enroll. The best thing is it's free. Okay, let's say start now and play now. The game is just loading. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It looks like Super Mario, isn't it? Finally, here we are, AWS Cloudcast. And I'm
Welcome to
so
the city.
excited. Oh, that's pathetic. And I say, oh, that is Ade. Ade is our friend who's going to help us in this game. Right, welcome to the role. Awesome. Let us start. Yes, yes, let's do this. Oh, look at me. This is me. Oh, I can create my own style. Oh, lovely. I can change the body type. Okay, sure. Okay, I like nerdy glass things and I want height. I like to have a big head. Sure. And what's my name? My name is Louis. Okay, let's start learning. Louis has a cool green head. Nice. Oh, Louis is taken. Louis is here to save you. Cool. Let's start learning now. It's loading, loading. Wow, look at that. It is similar to GTA. Nice. This is cool. And why do we have gorilla there? Oh, this is my icon that shows all my activities. Oh, the gorilla is upset for some reason. I think he stole the banana. Oh, it's King Kong. It's not even gorilla. Wow. Cool. Route and go. Oh, I can't beat him? Oh no. Okay. Welcome to the city. Sure. Nice to meet you. I am Louis. Louis is here to save you. Okay, okay, I'll do everything that you asked me to do. I can't wait to see you in the solution. Sure, let's go to the solution center and it loads now. There's a lot of loading. All right, welcome to the solution center. Ade is here. This is the whole process. One, two, three, four. Learn, plan, practice, die. Cool. So first thing is we're learning things, how AWS works. So in this task, the first task is we're setting up a static web page. And here we are. So we click on next on the bottom. It just shows the workflow, how the static page is going to look like. And we can, in fact, click the videos and learn how AWS
Amazon
S3 works. Cool. I like this. I like this.
Amazon S3.
Yeah, performance. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So we
well,
learn about the cloud and then we go to the plan section. So we create an S3, upload the lab files. Okay, okay. Hmm, okay, nice. So that's how the game is. So you first learn about the task and then you come here to practice things. You can do practice here. And the tasks here is pretty straightforward. We're just creating a static page on S3 and the steps are given on the bottom. This is nice. So you can, let's move on to, great. I like the idea. This is really cool. They say that you need to first practice and then you can do it yourself. So what you do is go back and the steps are provided here on the bottom. You just need to follow things one by one. So here the task is to create an S3 and simply follow the steps that are given here. As you could see, there are steps 1, 2, 3 till 26. I would follow everything on my account here, and I would go back and finish this and do it yourself. I would copy paste, and end of the day, I would get a S3 link, and I should copy paste it here with all the settings, and I should validate it. That is it. So let's assume this is my end product. Oh, I should simply paste the S3 bucket that I've created, and I should say validate. It's validating. So that's the whole gaming of AWS, which is cool. I like the idea. So once this is done, I go to the other places. I'd like to run, but I don't have the option. So there's this lady, and in fact, I can see all the options here. What's my next thing to do? Oh, gorillas here. Complete 2 assignments to unlock pet friends. Oh, nice. Okay, so the Subway Surf is there. So I can do all the video game things here. The ladies, hey, hello. Can I kick you? No. Can I kick you? No. Okay, let's say hi to the giraffe. And I cannot run, which is bad. And what city is this? Definitely Metaverse. Okay, so this is the whole idea of the Quest. Can I jump on to the giraffe? Oh, idea. I don't know why everybody's looking at me. See this yellow shirt guy? He's still looking at me wherever I go. Wow, this is strange. Okay. All right, so that is the game, and I can only walk. Maybe I need to finish the task of S3 bucket, and then I get a cycle or bike. Cool, cool, cool. This is nice. Oh, see, we have a shake. Hi, I shake. Nice. This is nice. And this is the first step of any cloud provider coming into the gamification area to make people learn by playing. So we should really welcome this, and thank you, Amazon, for doing this. This is going to be a big hit. I hope. Let us see. Wait and watch. Hi. Okay, so that's it for today. And I would be keep walking on the street and bang my head.